So a lot of you asked about the nails, so I thought while I was going to be putting them on, I would show you what nails I use and how to apply them. So I am using the Kiss press-on nails, and I am using the short length just because I do a lot with my hands and I don't like really long nails. So everything you need comes in the box, so it's going to come with a little tool for your cuticles. So the first step that you want to do is to push your cuticles back. And prepping your nails is probably one of the most important steps because you want to make sure that they are going to adhere and that they are going to stay on. And if you're new to my page, this is Morty. This is my son's cat. He is out of town, so I am house sitting with the cat. So the nails do come with this little teeny tiny nail file. So if you need to shape up your nails, just go ahead and do so. You do not need to rough up the tops of your nails. So do not do that. So the next step is to prep your nails. So it comes with this little prep pad. So just take that over all your nails. This is just going to clean off any oils and everything so that the nails will adhere. Then you just want to select the size of the nails that you will be needing. I always start with selecting the thumbnails, which the thumbs you want to do last. It's just easier when putting on the nails. And you just want to make sure that you're selecting a size that will completely cover your nail. So if it's not completely covering all the way to the sides, then find another nail that is a little bit larger. So you will see on the nails that they have this little tab. So that little tab there, that is going to be going towards your cuticle. So before you peel that off, make sure that you have the correct size that's going to fit your nail. Just peel the tab back and then press it on your nail. You're going to want to push it just a little bit back into your cuticle, but not too far. Then just press it on and hold it there for a little bit, and then you can go on to the next nail. And what I love about these is that they are so quick and easy. It took me not even 10 minutes to put a set of nails on, and these will last. My nails normally stay on over 2 weeks. I usually have to take them off because I want to switch them out to a new color. And the thing that I like about this brand is that they have so many color options to choose from. The ones that I'm using now are their FX line. So those will be a little sparkly, shimmery. And then if you want a longer length, they do come in longer length. You can get almond tips, whatever shape you like, but I like the square round tips. And then once you have one hand done, you just move on to the next. And remember, we are leaving the thumbs for last. And I'm not sure what the average cost to get your nails done at the nail salon is, but these are very affordable and so easy to do. And like I said, not even 10 minutes. So saves you a lot of time in your day rather than sitting at the nail salon. So now that I have all of the regular nails on, I'm going in with my thumbnails now, put those on, and then you are done. Then I do go back in with a file because you will find that on the tip there is just a little ridge that I just filed out. So here is how they turned out. Have you tried these nails? Do you love them just as much as I do?